Another year has passed, and just like always, it brought us some incredible new laser machines. In this video, I'll be showing you the best laser engravers to get in 2025 and 2026. In my previous videos, I personally tested every machine featured in this video, putting each one through real-world challenges to see what it can really do, because spec sheets can be misleading and don't always tell the full story. Just like in previous years, I'll be highlighting my top picks across different categories ranging from diode lasers, fiber lasers, CO2 laser cutters, and dual beam laser engravers. And of course, we'll shine a spotlight on this year's main superstars, the UV laser engravers. If you're interested in learning more details about a specific machine featured in this video, you can find my full review videos on my YouTube channel, or you can visit my website, hobbylasercutters.com, to find detailed reviews of each of them. I will include the links in the video description. There you will also find my affiliate purchase links and my exclusive discount codes so you can save some money. Don't forget that Black Friday is just around the corner. If you choose to buy through my affiliate links, you directly support my channel at no extra cost to you, and you can also get a discount on your purchase. Thank you. Best diode laser. This year, diode lasers have truly come into their mature state. Not long ago, they were seen as weak hobby toys, fun for experimenting, but limited in capability. But now, they've evolved into powerful, well-designed machines that can handle serious engraving and cutting tasks. With a diode laser, you can cut materials like wood, cork, paper, leather, and darker-colored acrylic. However, plastics come with some limitations. You won't be able to cut transparent, white, or blue acrylic, since the laser beam reflects instead of cutting through. For engraving, the material list expands further. In addition to everything a diode laser can cut, you can engrave on stone, rubber, anodized aluminum, painted metal, and even stainless steel. It's also possible to engrave glass and transparent acrylic, as long as you first coat the surface with a temporary black layer like an acrylic spray paint or black Sharpie pen. Like with plastic, diode lasers do have their limits with metals too. They can't engrave raw aluminum, brass, copper, or zinc, and when working with plastics, they often leave behind a melted surface with low contrast and less appealing results compared to other lasers like we will see later in the video. Among the open frame models I tested, the Sculpfun SF-A9 Max stood out as the best. It's the largest laser engraver I've ever reviewed, featuring a powerful 70-watt laser module with autofocus, mounted on a very sturdy, heavy-duty frame. This machine excels at cutting large furniture pieces or hobby projects with impressive speed and precision. It also comes with a powerful air assist pump that delivers 50 liters per minute, double the capacity of previous models I've tested, making it cut through plywood cleanly and with ease. An optional enclosure is available too, which helps extract fumes from your workshop. The only real drawback is its massive size, which means it won't fit on a standard workbench. If you'd prefer something smaller, the Sculpfun SF-A9 is the best choice. It offers similar build quality, a versatile 40-watt laser module, and continues Sculpfun's reputation as the leader in open-frame diode laser technology. But for those who want an enclosed system, the Atomstack Kraft is one of the most versatile enclosed diode laser engravers on the market. Its standout feature is a dual-beam laser module, combining a 20-watt blue diode with a 1.3-watt infrared laser. This allows it to engrave all types of metals and even some plastics, tasks that standard diode lasers can't handle at all. With autofocus and a well-designed enclosure for fume extraction, the Atomstack Kraft offers both performance and convenience. Plus, it has a very innovative fire extinguishing system which provides an additional level of safety. Best fiber laser. Fiber lasers remain the kings of metal engraving, and their popularity continues to grow every day. These machines are true workhorses, capable of producing incredibly fast and precise engravings, even in large quantities. A fiber laser can engrave virtually all metals, including stainless steel, anodized and raw aluminum, brass, copper, zinc, silver, gold, and many more. They're also capable of creating deep and lasting engravings in metal. Beyond metals, fiber lasers work really well on certain plastics. On black acrylic, They can produce highly durable white engravings, and on some white plastics they generate sharp gray engravings. They also perform well on stone, rubber, and leather, where deep and detailed results are possible. They are also excellent for fast rust removal from intricate parts and for cleaning metal surfaces, as they can remove grime and dirt very well, which comes incredibly useful in some applications. But fiber lasers do come with limitations. Like diode lasers, they cannot engrave transparent materials such as glass without a temporary black coating applied first. And perhaps surprisingly, they also cannot engrave wood or other similar organic materials at all. The best fiber laser I've tested so far is the ComMarker Titan 1. This is a large industrial-grade split-type fiber laser that can be equipped with up to a 200-watt JPT MOPA laser source. It features a tall Z-axis focusing column, which allows you to engrave tall objects or use large rotary attachments, XY tables, and even ComMarker's flexible fixture system, which is one of my favorite accessories. The machine comes with two lenses, 110mm and 200mm. But thanks to its oversized work area, it can also support lenses of 300mm or more, something weaker machines simply can't handle due to limited power and smaller workbeds. With its high power, the Titan 1 can produce deep 3D engravings in metals like brass, or even drill cleanly through thick aluminum. Despite this power, it doesn't sacrifice precision, handling fine, detailed work just as well as with lower-powered machines. Its industrial-grade galvo system also enables engraving speeds of up to 15,000 millimeters per second, making it one of the fastest and most capable fiber lasers available. Simply put, the ComMarker Titan 1 is a professional-grade machine designed to support serious engraving businesses. But if you're looking for something smaller and more portable, the ComMarker B6 is an excellent choice. It comes in a compact frame while still supporting a 20-watt to 60-watt JPT MOPA or a Q-switched laser source, making it versatile and capable without the bulk of a full industrial system. Plus, it also has an autofocus which makes focusing faster and easier than ever. Best UV laser. Last year, UV lasers began gaining traction, but this year, they've truly exploded in popularity. In fact, most of the machines I tested this year were UV lasers. Not long ago, these systems were prohibitively expensive, but today they've become far more accessible for small businesses, artists, and hobbyists. UV lasers are arguably the most versatile type of engraver, since they can mark almost any material. Unlike other lasers which rely on heat, UV lasers use a process called cold ablation, where ultraviolet light directly breaks the chemical bonds of the material. Because no heat is involved, very little power is needed, and the material doesn't burn. This unique process has several advantages. For example, UV lasers can produce extremely detailed, deep engravings in wood without leaving behind any burn marks. Thanks to their very short wavelength, they also have the smallest spot size of any laser type, which means they're capable of precision that's unmatched by diode, CO2, or even fiber lasers. When it comes to metals, UV lasers can engrave all types with ease. While they can't achieve the same deep cuts or wide variety of surface finishes and contrast that fiber lasers, especially MOPA fibers, can produce, they still deliver consistent results on metal surfaces. One of their biggest strengths, however, is plastics. Since UV lasers don't rely on heat, plastics don't melt or warp. Instead, the engravings come out smooth, precise, and highly detailed. No other type of laser comes close to matching UV performance on plastic. Another standout feature is their ability to engrave glass directly. UV lasers can ablate glass as easily as fiber lasers ablate metal, creating intricate designs with a matte, sandblasted-like finish. They can also make embedded engravings in the middle of the glass. And their versatility doesn't end there. UV lasers can ablate rubber perfectly, making them ideal for stamp production. Also, they are the only type of lasers that can cut high-temperature gaskets and similar material, as they are the only ones that cut without using the heat. And they can even remove dyes from certain fabrics, engraving patterns without damaging the fabric itself. This is ideal for making promotional items and gifts. In 2025, ComMarker has released some of the best UV laser engravers on the market. Their Omni series currently includes 3 machines which I have already tested and posted my detailed video reviews for each of them. Make sure you check them out. The 5-watt Omni is the entry-level model, but don't let that fool you. It's capable of handling nearly every task, making it the best value in the lineup. Next is the 10-watt Omni, a water-cooled unit that comes with its own external chiller. This version is designed for larger production runs, where faster engraving speeds, lower noise, and improved cooling translate to longer lifespan and greater efficiency. With double the power, it's also better suited for deep engravings in both metals and wood, and it can also cut out intricate designs from thin wood with ease. The newest addition is the ComMarker Omni X. This machine is air-cooled like the 5-watt Omni 1 model, but it's fully enclosed for safety. Its standout feature is automatic Z-axis adjustment during engraving, which allows you to create stunning 3D engravings embedded inside the glass directly from an STL model, with just a few clicks thanks to the ComMarker's easy-to-use software. I've personally tested the 5-watt Omni X in one of my previous videos, and I've just received the 10-watt upgrade, which I'll be reviewing in detail soon. So be sure to subscribe if you want to see that breakdown when it's ready. Although this year's UV laser field has largely been dominated by ComMarker, xTool has also stepped up their game with the xTool F2 Ultra UV, which is launching really soon. A full review is coming soon, so make sure you're subscribed to catch it as soon as it drops. Best CO2 laser. CO2 laser cutters are the true workhorses of engraving and cutting, especially when it comes to plywood and acrylic. The glass laser tube produces a far-infrared beam, which essentially works through heat and isn't affected by the color of the material. That's why CO2 lasers are the only type capable of cutting any color of acrylic with ease. They also excel at cutting leather, fabric, and similar organic materials, and they're great for engraving anodized aluminum or stainless steel tumblers when paired with a rotary attachment. CO2 lasers can even engrave glass directly, though the results aren't quite as smooth or detailed as what you'd get with a UV laser. The best desktop CO2 laser of 2025 is, without question, the brand new flagship xTool P3. This powerful 80-watt desktop laser cutter is packed with cutting-edge technology, making it the most advanced laser cutter on the market today, and one of the easiest to use. Its ACS, Automatic Creation System, does everything for you. You just need to put the material on the workbed. And extensive material library takes the guesswork out of laser settings, so you don't need any special technical knowledge to get professional results. The xTool P3 practically does the setup for you. This laser is also one of the safest to use as it has a built-in fire extinguishing system. The 80-watt xTool P3 is also the largest and most powerful desktop CO2 laser I've tested so far. It features an enormous 36 inches by 18 inches, 91 by 45 centimeters working area, which is ideal for serious projects. And if that's not enough, you can attach a conveyor feeder, allowing you to work with virtually unlimited length materials, perfect for creating large signs and furniture pieces. Performance-wise, it cuts 25 millimeters or 1-inch thick acrylic in a single pass, which is truly impressive. It also engraves at speeds up to 1,200 millimeters per second, ensuring even large designs are completed quickly. Dual positioning cameras and autofocus provide pinpoint accuracy, letting you perfectly align your designs every time. If you don't need such a large setup, you should definitely check out its smaller sibling, the xTool P2S. This 55-watt model packs much of the same technology into a more compact frame. Its 60 by 30 centimeter working area is perfect for most projects, and it supports a wide range of accessories, including a rotary tool, riser base, automatic fire extinguisher, and conveyor feeder. Like the P3, it also features xTool's industry-leading dual-camera positioning system, which is so precise that you can even engrave on randomly placed toothpicks with perfect results. Best dual beam laser. One of the best dual beam lasers I've tested is still the xTool F1 Ultra. It combines a 20-watt blue diode laser with a 20-watt infrared fiber laser, all in one compact portable unit. This configuration allows you to engrave a wide variety of materials, from wood, leather, and stone to all types of metals, including aluminum, brass, copper, and stainless steel. On stainless steel, you can also produce various colors and engraving effects. You can even use it for rust removal. Thanks to its dual beam setup, the F1 Ultra can handle projects that would normally require two separate machines. For example, when working with black acrylic, the infrared laser can produce beautiful, white, photorealistic engravings, while the blue diode laser handles the precise cutouts. Dual beam systems are also great for engraving tumblers, leaving a clean finish with no post-processing required. The xTool F1 Ultra now has a bigger brother, the xTool F2 Ultra, which is larger, more powerful, and far more versatile. It combines a 40-watt blue diode with a 60-watt MOPA fiber laser, enabling full-color stainless steel engraving and improved performance on plastics. It's also capable of producing deeper, more detailed 3D embossed-style metal engravings than the F1 Ultra. I haven't tested it yet, but it's high on my list for an upcoming review. Right now, I'm also in the middle of testing a new contender in this category, the Handsmaker D1 Ultra. So far, it's showing a premium build quality and excellent design. It also comes well-equipped, with accessories like an exhaust turbine fan, rotary tool, and even a conveyor feeder. I'll be releasing a full review of it soon, so make sure you're subscribed to get notified when that video goes live. Pros and cons of each machine. As you've seen, each type of laser has its own strengths and weaknesses. There's no single machine that can do absolutely everything. Hopefully, this video has helped you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. You'll find my affiliate purchase links in the video description. If you decide to buy through them, I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And in some cases, you'll even get an extra discount as a thank you for supporting the channel. Be sure to check out my other videos, where I reviewed and tested all of these machines in real-world scenarios. And if you prefer written content, visit my website, hobbylasercutters.com, where you'll find detailed blog posts with photos and full testing descriptions. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.